Welcome back. Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. New arrival 2025 Jayco J Flight 331 BTS. Coming in at 37 feet 9 inches overall, 8,920 pounds dry weight. So triple slide bunkhouse, large outside kitchen, 2-year warranty, and the Jayco quality. Definitely a very popular one that we sell over here. Here's your outside kitchen. A little bit of a redesign for the 2025. You're gonna have the capital griddle on a slide out grill or on a slide out tray there. Sinks plumb right in your gray water tank. Then you're also gonna have large outside fridge, and then backer for a TV if you want to set one up out here. Coming around this way on the back of it, you got a ladder going up to your fully walkable roof, rated for up to 4,500 pounds. Outside shower, city water connection, black tank flush, and then your spare tire. Coming around the side here, Goodyear American-made tires on it. Pass-through storage up off the front end. And then you've got two 20-pound propane bottles, power tongue jack, and then you do have this fiberglass kind of front cap on it, as well as your diamond plate. Prep for side view cameras and backup camera. Large power awning on it. Another backer for an outside TV. And outlets on the outside. Two marine grade speakers up there too. 60,000 BTU on-demand hot water heater. Then Lippert solid steps coming up to the inside. Check this thing out. So island in it. And then over in your kitchen here, you've got these Envision matching appliances for your oven, microwave hood, and then your refrigerator there, 12 volt fridge, freezer. Good size oven for an RV. Storage here, storage up here. And you got storage on the island as well. Sponge holder and 3 drawers. 2-piece sink with the matte black finish on your sprayer faucet. Over this way, you got your little kind of coffee bar with some storage. Ton of storage in this camper. Converter there. It's pretty much circuit board, breakers and fuses. Stay. Then large pantry over here too, right next to your refrigerator. USBs and outlets over on the little kind of coffee bar here. Booth dinette, storage under it as well. And then you got this nice microfiber finish on your cushions. Then this one's got the jackknife sofa in it. So you've got cup holders and armrests. This will drop down, storage. And this does fold out like a futon. Makes a bed. Then we'll check out the bunkhouse area. So 3 slides on it, one of them being in the bunkhouse here. So you've got your couch below, storage drawers under the couch. And then your bunk up here. This bunk's rated for up to 300 pounds in the Jayco. So big kid and adult friendly. And that flips up like that, stays in place. Entertainment center for the bunk room here. Backer for a TV, storage, more storage, more storage, more storage, and even more storage. 2 more bunks over here. Then USBs, outlets, more outlets right here in the bunk room. More outlets on the island there. Coming over this way, should probably show you this. So that's going to be storage right there. Storage and coat closet right there. Then this is going to be your tank checks, water pump, slide, awning, other slide, and then light switches. Coming into the bathroom, foot flush toilet, vanity, and then same matte black finish. Medicine cabinet, mirror, Then you've got this frosted glass finish on your shower doors. It's a decent sized shower there. Skylight above. Then you've got your 60,000 BTU on-demand hot water heater, so you can turn it on from here, and then you set the call temperature. And just a light switch for in here. Paper toilet, or toilet paper holder. Let's check out the master bedroom. So 50 amp service, you've got your secondary AC in the bedroom. And then queen size bed, hanging space, solar controller, 100 watt solar panel on top standard, storage below the bed, and then more storage here, and a little storage cubby up top too. And then backer in here if you want to add another TV. And then outlets and cable output up on the ceiling there. It's been a pretty solid overview of the J-Flight 331 BTS. Brand new for 2025. Thanks for checking it out. It's been Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. You can find my email in my description below if you've got any questions on campers or if you are in the market for one. Thanks for watching. Check out another video. Like, subscribe.